Hello and welcome to all my dear students. This is Shivani, your English teacher. Students, this video is for class 7th and I'm really sorry for being so late, I know. And yes, today I'm making this video for the question answer of I Learn to Talk chapter. If you haven't watched the chapter yet, please go and watch. I'll attach the links of the explanation part in the description box. Okay, so yes, let's start today's video. So the very first question is, answer these questions with reference to context. So here are the different statements, and with these statements you have to give answers. So the very first line is, I am filled with wonder when I consider the immeasurable contrast between the two lives which it connects. So before I tell you the answer of the questions, I would like to tell you that this line was said by Helen Keller. Okay, this line was said by Helen herself. Okay, and here she talks about the two lives. यहाँ पे हेलन बात करती है कि वो कहती क्या है, I am filled with wonder which when I consider the immeasurable contrast between the two lives which it connects. हेलन यहाँ पे कहती है कि वो अपनी दोनों लाइफ को जब कंपेयर करती है, जब देखती है, तो उसे ऐसा लगता है कि दोनों लाइफ इतनी डिफरेंट है, दोनों लाइफ में इतने ज़्यादा कंट्रास्ट है कि वो इमेजरेबल है, उसे मेजर भी नहीं किया जा सकता. ठीक, आगे देखते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हु इज़ द स्पीकर? I have told you the answer. The speaker is Helen Keller. Second question, what does it refer to? What does it refer to? Now, it refers to the day or time that connected her to her teacher. Okay? यहाँ पे it लिखा हुआ है उस दिन के लिए जिस दिन ने उसे और उसकी टीचर को आपस में कनेक्ट किया था. Next question, which two lives is the speaker talking about? She is talking about two lives. One before she met her teacher and the second after she met her teacher. So when I was explaining the chapter at that time also I told you that she is talking here about the two lives. एक वो ज़िंदगी थी उसकी जब उसकी टीचर उसकी लाइफ में नहीं आई थी, और दूसरी वो उसकी ज़िंदगी थी जब उसकी टीचर उसकी लाइफ में आ चुकी थी. Why are the contrast immeasurable? ये जो दोनों लाइफ है, इन दोनों लाइफ का जो कंट्रास्ट है वो immeasurable क्यों है, उसे कंपेयर क्यों नहीं किया जा सकता? The contrasts are immeasurable because she underwent a sea of change in this period of time. ठीक है, दोनों ही जो लाइफ थी उसे कंपेयर करना मुश्किल ही नहीं, नामुमकिन था, क्योंकि थोड़ा बहुत चेंज नहीं हुआ था उसके अंदर. इट वॉज लाइक अ सी ऑफ चेंज, एक समुद्र जितना चेंज हो चुका था उसके अंदर इस टाइम पीरियड में. इसीलिए उसे लगता था कि इन दोनों लाइफ को कंपेयर करना पॉसिबल नहीं है. Next statement, someone took it and I was caught up and held close in the arms of hers, who had come to reveal all things to me and more than all the things to love me. Again, these lines were said by Helen herself. ये lines Helen ने कही थी. Someone took in and I was caught up and held close in the arms of her. ठीक है, वो यहाँ पे कहती है कि कोई मेरे पास आया, किसी ने मेरा हाथ पकड़ा और मेरा हाथ पकड़ के मुझे अपने पास बुला लिया. ठीक है, who was someone? someone किसके लिए है यहाँ पर? Exactly, someone here was Helen's teacher Annie Mansfield Sullivan. Okay, someone here is referred to the Annie Sullivan. What did someone take? Her teacher took her hand and held close to hers. Next question, what was to be revealed to the speaker? स्पीकर को क्या रिवील करने के लिए आई थी उसकी टीचर? A new life awaited her. She was not aware of how her life would transform after this meeting. ठीक है, उसके पास एक पूरी नई ज़िंदगी उसका इंतज़ार कर रही थी, और यही सारी नई ज़िंदगी और नई जो टीचिंग स्किल्स थी कि वो अपनी लाइफ में चीज़ों को कैसे समझे, कैसे अंडरस्टैंड करे, चीज़ों को एक पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट से कैसे देखे, यही सारी चीज़ें रिवील करने के लिए उसकी टीचर उसकी लाइफ में आई थी. नेक्स्ट, what shows you that this person loved this speaker? आपको कैसे पता चलता है कि ये जो पर्सन थी एनी सुलिवन, वो अपनी ये जो स्पीकर है हेलन, उससे प्यार करती थी. हर जेंटल टच, familiarity with Helen showed that she loved her. Okay, well, Annie Sullivan did not need any proof that she loved Helen. उन्हें कोई प्रूफ की ज़रूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि जैसे कि आप लोग सब जानते हो कि एनी सुलिवन को हेलन केलर की लाइफ में मिरेकल कहा जाता है, मैजिक कहा जाता है. तो ये बताने की बिल्कुल भी ज़रूरत नहीं है कि वो हेलन से प्यार करती थी कि नहीं करती थी. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट स्टेटमेंट, that living word awakened my soul, gave it light, hope, joy, set it free. Question number 1. Which living word is referred to here? The living word referred here was when she felt the word water. It was when she could relate to things around having a name. So जो पहली चीज़ थी जिसकी वजह से उसे ये महसूस हुआ था कि हर चीज़ क्या है, एक लिविंग है, हर चीज़ में एक जान है. ठीक है. उसके अंदर चीज़ों को सीखने की जो एक होप थी, लाइट थी, वो कब आई? जब उसने पहली बार वाटर वर्ड को समझा और उसने वाटर को टच किया. तब उसे समझ में आया कि हर एक चीज़ का इस दुनिया में एक नाम है पर्टिकुलर. जब उसने वाटर को छुआ तो उसे ये वो नहीं देख पाई कि वाटर किस कलर का होता है, लेकिन उसे ये महसूस हो गया कि water is related to something cold, water is related to something liquid and a very fresh. Whom did it give light, hope and joy? It gave hope, light and joy to Helen. Next question, why did it give the person hope? ये जो चीज़ें हुई, ये जो इंसिडेंट हुआ, इसने हेलन को होप कैसे दिया? It gave her hope as it gave her something to look forward to. Despite her life being caught in the dark, she now had a purpose. She discovered everything had a name, and this new name gave birth to a new thought. कैसे इस चीज़ ने उसे होप दिया? इससे पहले उसकी पूरी लाइफ जो थी वो अंधकार में थी. उसने कभी महसूस नहीं किया था कि चीज़ें कैसी होती है. उसके लिए हर दिन एक जैसा था. But after this day, she was curious. She started waiting for the next day to come so that she could learn new things. So in that way, now she had a purpose to live. Each day she was learning something new. So now she became curious, she became hopeful towards her life. Who was responsible for making this happen? But obvious, this answer is very clear. Her teacher Annie Mansfield Sullivan was responsible for this change. Okay, answer these questions. Question number 1. When was the most important day in Helen's life? The most important day in Helen's life was when her teacher Annie Mansfield Sullivan came to her. Question number 2. On which date did Miss Sullivan arrive? Miss Sullivan arrived on March 1887. Here it will be 3rd of March. Okay, 3rd March 1887. Question number 3. How old was Helen when Miss Sullivan came into her life? She was 3 months short of turning 7 years when she met her teacher. वो 7 साल की होने वाली थी और 7 साल की होने में सिर्फ 3 महीने बाकी थे जब उसकी टीचर उसकी लाइफ में आई. Next question. Why did Miss Sullivan give Helen a doll? What did Helen do with it? मिस सुलिवन ने हेलन को डॉल क्यों दिया और हेलन ने उसके साथ क्या किया? Miss Sullivan gave Helen a doll. The little blind children at the Perkins Institution had sent it to Laura, and Laura Bridgman had dressed it. She initially played with it, and later, when she was frustrated, she dashed it upon the floor. पहले उसने थोड़ी देर उस डॉल के साथ खेला, लेकिन जब वो उस डॉल से फ्रस्ट्रेट होने लगी, डिसअपॉइंटेड होने लगी, तो उसने उस डॉल को उठाकर फेंक दिया और वो डॉल टुकड़े टुकड़े में टूट गई. Question number 5. Why hadn't Helen loved the doll? हेलन जो थी उसे डॉल से प्यार क्यों नहीं हुआ? Initially, Helen played with the doll, but when Miss Sullivan tried making her understand the word DOLL, Helen got agitated. Okay, agitated means annoyed, irritated. She was filled with despair as she was not able to understand the name. Despite her teacher repeated attempts, she seized the doll and dashed it upon the floor. ठीक है, हेलन को डॉल से प्यार क्यों नहीं हुआ? हेलन ने शुरुआत में उस डॉल के साथ खेलने की कोशिश की, लेकिन जब उसकी टीचर ने उसे समझाने की कोशिश की कि DOLL दोनों ही डॉल्स के लिए है, पुरानी डॉल के लिए भी नई डॉल के लिए भी, तो वो बहुत सारे अटेम्प्ट्स के बाद भी समझने में सक्षम नहीं थी और उसे इतना गुस्सा आया कि उसने उठाकर उस डॉल को ज़मीन पर फेंक दिया और वो डॉल टूट गई. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट मेड हेलन फील बैड दैट शी हैड ब्रोक द डॉल? ओके, हेलन को ये कब महसूस हुआ कि उसे ये बुरा लग रहा था कि उसने डॉल तोड़ा? क्योंकि जब शुरुआत में हेलन ने उस डॉल को तोड़ा तो उसे बिल्कुल बुरा नहीं लगा, बिल्कुल दुख नहीं हुआ, ना ही उसे रिग्रेट हुआ, ना ही कोई ग्रीफ हुआ. ठीक है, क्योंकि उसे डॉल से कोई प्यार था ही नहीं. लेकिन बाद में उसे बुरा भी लगने लगा और रोना भी आने लगा, रिग्रेट होने लगा. क्यों? When Helen realized that everything had a name and each name gave birth to a new thought, she was filled with regret. As she picked the pieces, she was filled with regret. जब हेलन को ये महसूस हुआ कि हर एक चीज़ का नाम होता है इस दुनिया में, ठीक है, तब उसे ये महसूस हुआ कि उसने डॉल को तोड़कर गलत किया. And at that time she was filled with regret. When she picked up the pieces of doll, she was, her eyes were filled with the tears. Question number 7. How did Miss Sullivan teach Helen the meaning of word water? Miss Sullivan ने हेलन को water word की meaning कैसे समझाई? Miss Sullivan took Helen to the well house. Helen felt someone was drawing water, and just then Miss Sullivan placed her hand under the spot. As the cool stream gushed over one hand, Miss Sullivan spelled the word water over her another hand, first slowly and then rapidly. It was then that Helen realized that water meant the wonderful cool something. This whole paragraph is in the book itself. I have written the whole answer from the book itself. You can check it from your book. Which words made word blossom for Helen? The words that made the word blossom for Helen were mother, father, sister and teacher. Okay students, so this was the question answer of this chapter. Okay, we are done with the question answer, and beta, if you have anything else to ask me, if there is any questions which is left and you don't know the answer, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Okay, I'll try my best to sort all your confusions. And yes, please do watch the explanation part of this story, otherwise you won't understand anything. Till then, take care and stay safe.